Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's great. Are you done eating with your dinner?
No.
Oh, not yet?
Yes.
Oh, no. Are you hungry?
No.
Oh. Okay, so by the way, my name is Teacher Je, and I am 34 years old, and I am from the Philippines. Okay, can you please tell me about yourself? What's your name? And
My
uh,
my name is Lila.
Lila.
I'm 9 years. I'm
Oh,
9 years old.
okay, and where you came from?
I'm from Điện Biên.
Okay, all right, so nice to meet you, Lila. You have a very nice name. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so by the way, is it already summer vacation in your place? Is it already
What?
summer? Is it already summer vacation?
Uh, no.
No. So you went to school still or not?
No.
No, okay,
No.
it's already summer vacation.
Yes.
Okay, I see. So what did you do today, Leela? Since it's already summer vacation, what activities have you done?
I go to the cinema with my mom and watch it.
Wow. And which movie have you watched?
Mm, the channel.
Okay, is that a Vietnamese movie?
Yes.
Okay. And what is it all about?
Mm, uh, talk about a little girl have a new school.
Ah, okay. So, did you like it?
Yes.
Okay, I see. All right. So, now let's start with our lesson for today. And you know what? I am so happy to finally see you, Leela. Teacher is so happy. Are you happy to see teacher?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. All right, so now this time we're going to discuss or talk about the topic Maria joins the team. Okay, so now look at the picture here. Okay, what do you see in the picture?
I can see two girls,
Hmm?
one boy, and one teacher,
Okay, two girls and one boy and
and one teacher.
okay, and the teacher. Or you can say, I can see two girls and a boy and also a teacher. So, what do you think are they going to play? Look at their uniform. Look at the things that they're holding. Okay, what do you think?
I I think they play baseball.
Okay. All right. So, let's see if that is correct. So, do you want to play football or baseball, I mean?
Not yet.
Not yet. You haven't tried it yet.
Yeah.
Okay. But have you seen some children playing baseball in your place?
Yes.
Okay. And do you think it's a nice sport?
Yes. It's a
Hmm?
nice.
It's nice sport. Do you want to try playing with this kind of game?
No.
No. Oh, do you play any sports, Lila?
I play badminton.
Wow. Badminton is my favorite sport.
Yeah.
Yes, I like to play badminton because it's easy to play badminton, right? Than the other sports.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about you? Why do you like playing badminton?
Mm, only badminton.
Yeah, only badminton. Just
Yes.
badminton. Okay, so this book is written by Kitty Higgins and illustrated by Angela Kamstra. Okay, the book. Okay, can you please read the title one more time?
Maria joins the team.
Okay, Maria joins the team.
Team.
Yes, okay, now look at the first picture here. What are they doing?
Uh, one girl and one boy
Uh-huh.
running catch the ball.
Okay, so they run. They played running and catch the ball.
Uh,
And look at this. It's
yes.
there.
Um, it's a dog.
Okay, it's their dog. They're playing catch with their dog. Okay, how about you, Leila? Do you like or do you have a dog?
Mm, no.
No? Okay, so do you want to have a dog someday?
Uh, no, I like cat.
Oh, so cat is your favorite pet, your
Yes.
favorite animal. Have you ever tried to, or do you have a cat in your house?
I have one cat and five little cat.
One cat and
Five little cat.
what's that?
It's a baby.
Oh, it's a baby.
Baby cat.
Oh, a baby cat. So you have a big cat, one big cat, and a kitten.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, so what's the name of your cat?
Is Dan.
Uh-huh. How about the kitten? What's the name of your kitten?
Mm, like mother.
Okay. All right, so now let's have this one. Okay, please read.
Maria likes to play baseball. She plays catch with her brother, Louis.
Okay, so who is this girl again? What's the name of this girl?
Maria.
Maria. Okay, so this girl is Maria. Can you say it?
Yes.
This girl is.
This girl is Maria.
Okay, this girl is Maria. And how about her little brother? What's the name of her little brother?
His name is Louis.
Luis. Okay, and what do they do in the picture?
They are running and catch the ball, and the
Uh-huh.
dog is what
Somewhat like playing with,
um, the dog
playing,
is
the dog is playing with them.
yes.
Okay. All right. So how about this one? Okay, what do you think is happening in that picture?
I think the teacher talked for Maria something.
Okay, so the teacher
Is
talks, so the teacher is talking to,
Maria
oh,
something.
oh yeah, the teacher is talking
Is
to Maria. Okay, she said something to Maria.
yes.
Okay, all right, so now let's have this one. Please read.
The baseball coach asked Maria to join the baseball team. We'll play at 4 o'clock on Tuesdays, he says.
Okay, how to read that word again? The underlined word.
Ask,
Okay, asks.
ask,
Okay, very good. Okay, with a sound at the end. Asks.
ask.
All right. The baseball coach asks Maria to join the baseball team. So do you think Maria will join the baseball team?
Yes.
Yes. And why do you think so?
Because mom mm, took his
Why do you think Maria would join the team?
because I can see Maria is mine.
Okay, because you can see
And
Maria is smiling.
yeah,
Do you think Maria is happy during that time?
yes.
Okay, yes, she's very happy. Okay, and then now let's have the coach asked Maria to join the baseball team. Okay, and then he gave Maria their schedule for training every Tuesday. Okay, and then look at Maria. Look at her face. What do you think Maria's feeling right now?
Maria feeling is uh, happy.
Okay, so you think that Maria is so happy. Okay,
Yes.
all right, so let's have this one. Mom.
Mom, I really want to play.
Uh-huh.
Maria says,
Oh,
can I?
Maria's.
Maria's mom says yes. And they ran home to tell her dad.
Okay, to tell her dad. Okay, so Maria's mom agreed to Maria. Okay, Maria, if you want to play, then you can play. Okay, mom said. So Maria was so excited to go
Mm,
home.
to
Okay, Maria was so excited to go home because he wants to tell his or her.
her dad.
Okay, he wants or she's so excited to tell her dad about this. Okay, all right. So now look at Maria here. What is she doing?
She is wake up in her bed.
She wakes up on her bed or she's going to rest. Okay,
Wake up.
she's okay. All right. And what does Maria wear?
Mm, Maria wears a base mitten.
Okay, a baseball mitt. Okay.
This for me.
Yes. Do you think she's excited?
Yes,
Yes, she's very excited. Look, even when Maria goes to sleep, she wears the baseball mitt because of her excitement. She really
yes.
wants to play the baseball. Okay, and look at the dog here below.
The dog is sleeping.
Okay, the dog is
Sleeping
okay, the dog is sleeping under Maria's
the bed.
bed. Oh,
Yes,
yes, under the bed. And I think the dog is so excited too.
yes.
Do you think the dog is so excited too?
I think it's yes.
Yes, okay. Look at the dog. The dog is holding,
The ball.
okay, the dog is holding the ball while sleeping, just
The
like Maria.
yeah,
Maria's wearing her meat while sleeping. Okay, both of them are so excited.
yeah.
Okay. All right, so Maria,
Maria wears her baseball mitt to bed the night before her first game.
uh-huh.
She gets up to go to school and her mitt is still on.
Okay, so that's what happened. Okay, the day or the night before Maria's game. Because of her excitement, okay, even when she goes to sleep, okay, she wears her meat. Okay, that's how excited Maria is.
Yes,
Okay, she's very excited. Okay, the night before the game, she
yes.
wears her baseball meat.
Mitt.
Okay, and now Let's have this one. Okay, this is at school. Right? So
Yeah.
this is Maria's friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maria friend give Maria a
Ah,
note for his birthday.
all right. So that is, okay, so let's read this one.
At school, Amos gives Maria a note. The note asks her to come to his birthday party.
All right. Okay, so Amos' birthday party is during Maria's first game. Oh, that was
Yes.
so sad. Oh no. So do you think Maria will come to Amos' birthday party?
I think Maria not go.
No. Okay, you think Maria will not go
Mm,
or she will
I,
go?
I think Maria not go.
It will not go.
Yes.
Okay, so you think that Maria will not go to Amos' birthday party, but Amos is her best friend.
Yes.
Why do you think she won't go to Amos' birthday party?
Mm, Mar- I think Maria not go to his birthday because that Maria has a baseball team.
Okay, so Maria won't go to Amos' birthday party because she's
Mm,
going to
mm,
she,
baseball,
she's going to play.
baseball.
Okay, because she's going to play baseball. Okay, that's what you think Maria's reason why she can't go to Amos' birthday party. Okay, let's see if Maria will not go to Amos' birthday party. Okay, so, oh no.
Oh no, I can't come. Maria says, I have a big game that day. Maybe I could come to your party instead.
All right. Okay, so Maria really wants to go to Amos' birthday party, but she has a doubt because that is
Day.
her first game. Okay, it would be
Yes.
her first game ever. Okay, so she has a doubt. Oh, Amos, I really want to go to your birthday party, but that day will be my first day too.
Play baseball.
Okay, that's my first day to play baseball. And okay, baseball is her dream sport, right?
Yes.
Yeah, she really loved to play baseball. Okay, so she's sad. Okay, she's a little bit sad because she wants to
Yes.
go to Amos' birthday party because Amos is her best friend, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so now let's have this one. Maria.
Ma- Maria asks the coach that night. You can miss in the game, he says, but the team will not have a short stop.
Okay, so Maria asked permission to her coach. Coach, can I go to Amos' birthday party? And I won't play I won't play the game. And then the coach said, okay, you can go to Amos' birthday party, but even
But
without you, we're going to play the game.
yes.
Okay, so the coach said, we will still play the game even without you. Okay,
Hmm.
so Maria, look, okay, Maria said I should not,
Missing the game,
okay, I
Maria
should not
says.
miss, okay, I should not miss the game. Maria said.
Says,
And
the
then,
team needs me.
Okay, the team needs me. So do you think Maria, um, do you think Maria's decision is okay? Is right?
Yes.
Okay, why do you think so?
Mm,
Why do you think it's right?
because Maria said the team is miss me.
Okay, so because Maria said, the team needs me. I need to be there. Mhm.
Yes.
Because she promised that she won't, she promised that she won't, or she will be able to play whatever happens. So that's their promise. Before playing the game, okay, they promised that. Okay, they
Mm,
promised that they should play the game whatever happened. Okay. All right. So I think Maria had okay, I think Maria's decision is really good, right?
yes.
She has a good decision. Okay, so okay, this time, okay, Maria didn't go to Amos' birthday party.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so okay, she played the game because that's her dream sport. Okay, so okay, she didn't go to Amos' birthday party, even if she loved Amos. Okay, so I should not miss the game. Maria says because the team needs me.
Miss me.
Okay, all right, so let's have this. It is the day.
It is the day of the big game. Oh, Maria's family comes to watch.
All right, so Maria's family was very supportive. Look at them. Okay, they look so happy to see Maria playing the game. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And then now let's have this. After the game.
After the game, Amos comes to give Maria a balloon. He brings her cake too.
All right. So after the game, okay, look. Amos came to give Maria a balloon and a cake. And they were so happy. And Maria so happy too.
Yes.
Maria's so happy too because even if she
Mm,
didn't go to even if she didn't go to Amos' birthday party, still Amos gave him a
uh,
cake and
and a balloon.
okay, gave him a cake and balloon. Okay. All right, so okay, they look so happy. Okay, that's all about the topic. Maria joins the team. Okay, so now Lila, what is your favorite part of the story? And why do you like it?
I because the
Okay,
story is
what's your favorite part of the story?
mm, my favorite. The part of the story is Arnold the the cake for Maria and the balloon.
Okay. Okay. So your favorite part of the story is that Amos gave Maria or brought Maria a
A birthday cake and a balloon.
okay. So Amos brought Maria a birthday cake and a balloon. And why do you like that part?
Mm, because it was because I read this, I was so happy.
Okay. If you were Maria, you will be happy. If someone
Yes.
gave you, okay, if someone gave you or brought you something. Okay, for example, Lila, you are Maria. And then
Yeah.
your best friend invited you, Lila, can you please come to our house tomorrow because it's my birthday. And then tomorrow you will have no, not baseball, a badminton game. So that's your first badminton game. So what would you do?
Mm, I
Are you
first
going
I
are you going to are you going to come to your best friend's birthday party, or you're going to play your first badminton tournament?
uh, I go to the birthday best friend.
Oh, you're going to your best friend's birthday party.
Yes.
Oh, and how about your badminton game? Your coach will be sad.
Huh.
Yeah, your coach will say, "Oh, Leela, why didn't you come to your first game? We lose because you didn't come." So what would you say?
Because I go to the birthday my best friend birthday.
But Leela, you promised to play. Look
Yeah.
what you've done. We lose the game, Leela. So what would you do with that?
Mm, I
And I am
no.
so disappointed with you, Leela, the coach will say.
Yeah.
Okay, what would you do?
Not yet.
Huh? What would you do with that? You will ask sorry to the
No,
coach?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, if that would be the case, Leela, okay, for example, you join some, what do you call that one? You join some, yeah, in a team. Okay, all you need to do is always choose your team because that's your responsibility and you promised to them that you will play with them whatever happens, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so because the birthday, maybe you can come to your friend's birthday party after the game.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, after your responsibility. Because in joining in a team, okay, that is a big responsibility. Okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, you should be responsible in your decision. Okay,
Yes.
so today we talked about Maria joins the team. Okay, do you have any question about this?
No.
Okay, what would you do after this class?
Wait a
Uh,
minute. Wait
what?
a minute.
Okay,
My phone.
okay. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so Lila, today our class is done and it's time for me to say goodbye now. And thank you
Yeah.
for today. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Goodbye. It's time.